I was driving down Anaheim, going towards Lomita to find the sheriff, when I see down President red and blue lights. So I sidetracked, and when I pulled up, turned out to be LAPD in Harbor City on President and 250 something. Sorry. When I walk up, I see two people out of the car in handcuffs with none other than Officer Grimes on one end and a female officer on the other. Attitude. You got a fucking attitude. It's my buddy Grimes. I'm sure he missed me so much. Something going on. Something about taking the car. I can't. They're looking for a reason to arrest you, bud. Particularly interested in me. Hello. This guy's assertive. He's saying something about, take my car, my lawyer, just get it out tomorrow or some shit. I don't know. He was saying also something about his other cases, so I'm not sure what that's about. And two other officers, one in one of the units and the other going back and forth between the quote-unquote suspects and the unit. It's hard to hear what is said, but let me fast forward through the shit show and I'll get to the point. This is a dirty stop. They wanted to arrest this kid bad, or at least take his car, one or the other. I could tell the officers were bent on something, and since I didn't see them ass up knee-deep in their car searching, I can only assume this kid did not consent to a search. Which explains all the attitudes. Like a ticket bump on the head. Are they really towing this car? Scan Diddy. They called the tow truck out. I don't know if it just to intimidate him. It was idling by. I've never seen that before. Usually they show up and they hook the car up and they're gone. But this was different. They also called the sergeant out, which he finally showed up. Look at the geeks. Grimes likes to get the fuck daddle as soon as it's over. And I get a chance to probably catch up with somebody who might give me some answers. Asshole. Got tow truck standing by. Not sure what the deal is. You're getting... Yeah, dickhead. I'm right here. You're gonna get what we give you. This is how... I can only assume that he actually told them, no, you cannot search my car. That's why they're so mad. They're mad. I hope they're not arresting him. I hope I can talk to him. I think fucking longer. And work on your ticket. I think that they've been, right? They've been digging to arrest this kid, man. This is disgusting, ridiculous, and not surprising. Please follow the law. Stadio pedal. Kick rocks, smoke 'em, get gone. Grimes is ready to go. He wants to leave just right fucking now. There's he loathes me. Can't even stand to be near me. Good.
Don't come any closer. You can record from there all you want, but don't come any closer.
You had to say something, huh?
Thank you.
I record the police that don't violate anybody's rights, so I just wanted to.
Oh, you have it on the good camera?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Can you tell me
great.
what happened?
Yes. So, I just bought this car off the car dealership about 3 hours ago. Filed all the paperwork for it, and
So did they
got
pull
it
you over 'cause
insured.
It's a paper plate with a number. So
No,
why did
they
even
pulled
pull
me
you
over because they said I was going 65 down the street.
Done this one?
Yeah, no, the last one.
Oh, okay.
So how would I go 65 and then that did?
With the dip and the stops.
I said, oh,
Do they have a speedometer? Did they show you that?
They said, yeah. They said they don't have a speedometer. They said it's on camera. I have it right here on their camera on their front.
Okay, so their camera can all of a sudden like tell how fast you're going? No. Anyway, so they pull you over for big speeding, and how come they had you here for so long? The first guy had your paperwork.
Because I just bought the car, so it hasn't been registered in a year because it's a brand new car. No one's bought it, so they couldn't find anything on it, and then they couldn't find anything.
They
with
wanted
my
a
first
reason to
last name.
arrest you, didn't they?
They did.
Did you not give them consent? Is that why they got all mad?
Yeah, and they called their sergeant.
You
They were
didn't.
all rookies. I looked at their badges.
Actually,
their
not
patches.
Grimes.
Well,
This one is.
the black dude and
And the
the
bigger
other dude,
one.
he wasn't a rookie, but the girl and the other two officers were shaking.
She's nervous.
She didn't know. She's like, face this way. Wait, face this way. She's didn't know.
Like if
Okay,
you.
are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah. Why were you in cuffs? Why was your girlfriend or your friend in cuffs?
For no reason. Can they do that for you if you
I don't
are
know.
accused
So
of speeding?
put you in
I
handcuffs.
thought it was
Sheriff right here, right?
major sheriff. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Well, they have about like right here is basically the
They would
border.
have just let me go.
Where
No, I said they would have just let me
Who,
go.
sheriff?
If it was them. No, if it was Lomita, sheriffs, yeah.
Why?
Oh, because they don't even deal with like petty shit. They
Well,
want like.
you'd be surprised. You should watch some of my videos. They do petty shit all the time.
Awesome.
Glad they didn't take your car or anything. Have a good night.
Around all day and all night recording cops.
I'm LaurasharkCW.
Because the only videos I follow is Laura Shark is always out here now. Tell Laura Shark we said hi.